Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
So, my name is Miss Nada. Today I will take over Mr. Musampas. Okay. So, last week, and on the Tuesday, you guys already talk about the leadership and leadership quality with Mr. Wisam, right? Okay. So now we're gonna talk about the leaders. Yeah? Do you know who's the man on the screen?
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. Who is Steve Jobs?
Co-founder of Apple, right?
Founder of
Apple.
Apple. Okay. Okay. Founder of Apple. Is he still alive?
I think it's there.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck.
Language.
Emang nggak bisa sih?
Huh?
Yang benar.
Yes. Steve Jobs is passed away.
Oh, pas lagi ya.
Passed away in 2011.
Sorry.
Yeah. So he's the one that made Apple. Maybe you use some of his product. Anyone use iPhone or iPad or MacBook? Yeah? No. No.
Okay.
Or the Mac computer? No. No. Why did you use Apple product?
The price.
The price is expensive.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If we talk about the world leaders, who do you think that we should call world leaders? What kind of people? Yeah. Maybe the one who rule the country? President. Good.
Government.
Yes?
Government.
Government? Yes. Anything else? The president? The government? The one in who is the one who rule England? King. King or
Queen.
Queen. Yes. Several years ago we have Queen and now we have King. Yeah? King Charles. And then if the King and Queen in a country doesn't rule the government, the country is ruled by
By the rules.
Huh?
By the rules.
Usually in the country that has king or queen, they don't rule, they just a symbol, yeah? And so who rule the country? Okay.
The people.
Huh?
The people.
Okay.
Oh. Parliament.
Prime. Yeah. Yeah, Prime Minister, yeah. So we are going to talk about these vehicles. Okay? Yeah. The first is president. Yeah. The president is the leader who choose by election.
Yeah.
But in Indonesia we have Indonesia.
Japan itu?
Kan juga guys.
Oh iya.
Japan is
Enggak.
yeah,
Empire.
empire.
South Korea?
South Korea,
Ada
North Korea.
Australia?
Australia, if I'm not wrong, is ruled by prime minister ya. If I'm not-
Tapi Jerman.
Germany, the US. Do you know any president?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Russia. Russia.
No. Do you know any president beside the president of Indonesia?
Yeah.
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 Who is
Presiden Vladimir.
Vladimir Putin.
Putin? And then
Um,
Dijamin. Dijamin.
Ismail.
Oh, saya dulu.
who?
Winston Churchill.
Winston Churchill is
Prime Minister.
prime minister.
Oh ya.
Prime minister.
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
Joe
Who's-
Biden.
Joe Biden. Yeah, Joe Biden. And now the president of the US,
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
Donald.
Okay. Good. Now, king or queen? Yeah, obviously England, yeah. England is ruled by a queen, a king, it's king. King Charles. Any, so the king and queen is, they have their title by inherited, yeah, inherited by their parents and their ancestor, great grandparents. Besides of England, what other country that ruled by queen or king?
Brunei.
Brunei.
Brunei Darussalam.
Brunei.
And maybe Malaysia.
Yeah. Okay. In Malaysia,
Yeah.
okay. The unique thing about kings in Malaysia, they don't usually they not just inherited by, but they also choose from each state. For example, I don't know. For example, right now the king, the sultan, yeah, they call it. It's from Sabah, and for the next sultan they come from Sarawak. So not just inherited, yeah. Okay. Thing is, prime minister. Usually, if the country have king and queens, they have prime minister. You know who's that? Yeah. Yeah, he used to be prime minister of England, Boris Johnson. So usually they are the head of government, yeah. If the king or queens not be the head of governments, it's the prime minister who are the head of the government. So the king and queen is just a symbol, yeah. Like in England, the country don't run by King Charles, yeah. It's run by the prime minister. Okay, and then Sultan. Yeah, Sultan is another name for king, yeah. But the Sultan is usually in Muslim country. Yeah. Yeah, like in Saudi Arabia, in Indonesia, Sultan also called Sultan. And then the Sultan also act as religious leader. Maybe for the country other than Muslim country, when the head of government also the head of religious leader is in Vatican, yeah. They have Pope. And now the leaders of modern world, Ya, Meta, Facebook.
Instagram.
Meta, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp ya. Nowadays, the CEO have influence in the world, yeah. Yeah, they control social media, or maybe like the one like Jeff Bezos. He have a large e-commerce, yeah. Jeff Bezos, Amazon. So, why do you think Steve Jobs considered as a world leader?
Because the first guy who make modern means
Do you want to answer those?
penemuan apa sih ini?
Invention?
Invention
Yeah,
by the Apple product.
Apple product. What about Mark Zuckerberg? Do you think Steve Jobs is better than Mark Zuckerberg? No. Okay. Now I want you to find a partner. Looks like you guys already have a partner of your own. Okay. Do you want to find a partner of your own, or I will pick it for you?
Kind of environment.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So now I want you to sit back to back with your partner. You can use this, the one that's in the front, yeah. Like this. Yeah, back to back. Or like this, yes. Are you ready to sit back? Yeah, prepare the pen, yeah? Can you flip your chair? Yes. Okay. Now each of you have an incomplete text here. So you guys have two different roles here. And what are you gonna do here is, for example, what's your name? Liu. What's your name?
Juga.
Okay. In Liu paper, the first sentence is blank. But in Gabriel paper, the first sentence is, there is a sentence, yeah? So I want you guys to fill the blank, but you can look each other paper. So you read it. So Gabriel will read it to Liu, and Cheryl, and the blanks is, for example, in newspaper, the student paper, the blank is on the first line, but in Gabriel paper, the blank is on the second line. So you have to work together. Okay, you can start now. Okay, you can read it. Yeah, you listen to Gabriel.
A confident man with great vision is what the world.
Okay.
A confident man with great vision is what the world will always remember. About the founder of Apple.
Wait, what's confident?
Okay, you don't have a partner, so how?
Man with great vision.
Okay.
Confident.
What's your name?
Yeah, confident with great vision.
How do you join this couple?
Will always remember about the founder.
Now, can you stop first? Okay. So, you sit here.
Confident with great vision. Confident with great vision.
Is what the world will always remember.
Okay. Did you get
Is what?
The world will always remember.
Your friends here?
Will
Tadi dengar gak ya? Dia senyum gimana?
Always remember
Iya.
about the founder of Apple.
Gabriel, can you stop for a while? Yeah. So, Revaldo get student A. Yeah. So Gabriel, you have the first line. Okay, you listen to what Gabriel said. Yeah. Can you start over?
Confident man with great vision is what the world will always remember. About the founder of Apple, Steve Jobs. Benar?
Yeah. So you reach the page. Yeah. But in yours there's blank. Yeah. Okay. Now you or Revaldo is it? Revaldo read it to Gabriel because there's the opposite.
the success of the iPhone.
Oh kira kok yang dia si Rio ngomong aku sih ya?
Yeah.
Apa Pak?
The success.
But in yours there's the success
The success
Of the iPhone.
of the iPhone.
Because you have no
Of the iPhone.
Of the iPhone.
And that
Thus
was
the
the
every
happy
Then-
happy
happy dance.
evidence.
happy dance.
Yeah,
Happy
You can spell it out.
E F I D E N C E
Yeah, right. And that
of his leadership.
of this leadership.
Yeah.
Was like that.
And now you
Yeah.
can it
Next.
Yeah. Jobs believe that cell phone were
Jobs believe
that cell phone were
cell phone.
yeah cell phones were
it doesn't you
going
you have
to
more
be
space
vital,
in the bottom. Yeah.
Work going.
going to be vital
Information access.
To be vital.
for portable information access. Access. Yeah. So he asked his engineers to make a phone.
The purple experience.
So he
Okay.
Yang itu udah.
Experience.
access.
Yeah, there's some
Yeah,
line that same, the same.
Yeah.
project.
Yes. So
Function.
where your blank start after the
Oh, and
Yeah, after what?
multi-touch glass display that we call
For 2 years.
multi-touch glass display that we call.
maybe one of you can lead it. So when you reach the blank, you say, wait a minute, I reach the blank. Start from wherever you land.
So he asked his engineers to make a phone with multi-touch glass display that we could type on with our fingers. 6 months later, they made a prototype with an amazing display and scrolling function. Later, the Purple Experience project was launched and continued for 2 years to enable a dream to come true.
Terus,
Ada yang tadi?
maksudnya di sini.
After function,
After function.
ada sentence ya? Blank or what?
Enggak.
So later,
Later, the purple,
Terus paling apa?
P-U-R-P-L-E.
Apa?
Yeah.
That
Experience
Successful computer.
project was launched
Successful computer
Launch.
company with no name, and
as
no
well.
and continue
credibility.
for 2 years.
In the South one,
Yes.
2 years to enable
industry.
a dream to come true.
In the
Itu apa?
To enable
industry.
a dream
Kerja.
to come true.
Dari change
Uh,
customer everything will change.
you read the next sentence.
But everything finally
They work after
everything finally paid
they work successful.
paid off
They were successful.
Ini tadi lu bilang nyangku ya?
Hah?
Bilang nyangku apa? Lu siapa bilang yang ngobrol?
Sekarang 3.
Oh ya, bukan.
They were successful.
Ya.
Okay.
To enable a dream. Jadi salah.
only you have a partner, yeah?
To
To enable a dream.
Do you want to be with your new partner?
Come true.
Yeah.
to enable a dream.
To come
You
true.
can sit there,
Come true.
boldly, yeah, because you will sit back and sit, bold. Yeah.
Done.
You can space between you
The
and
amount of road, ya,
To the crowd.
Masih nyambung.
What is the revolution that you took for the
kalau di sini nyambung ya.
Habis itu it requires.
Halo?
Habis.
What is it?
Iya. Oke.
Amount of
Habis
road.
come through.
icon.
Done for the project was items.
Dan
Done for the project was items.
Icon is the
for the project
the
project
Was items.
items
Sorry. I M M
M.
complete
M.
each
W.
other text.
ya.
M
For
E
example, in
Apa?
W M
there's
I
no first line, yeah, and then you
M.
can take this called
S.
S
E.
and you need to talk to.
It's required.
Oke, gimana ya?
oh that's the next
that
sentence.
is literally
Kalimat
You
selanjutnya
can
yang
come
berubah
here,
ya.
Iya,
go
iya.
repeat them, and
literally
you
Kalau yang itu udah ada.
come here, sit there. Can you sit there?
is literally
Oh.
5 years ahead, 5 years ahead
To enable the dream to come true one day.
of any
Yeah, so it's okay.
other
And so what
mobile phone.
we're gonna do here is
Yang
for you to have the different
Katanya yang free.
Iya, three.
in
Iya,
your
kan?
music there's
They
no
were
first
successful.
sentence. Yeah? In hers, what is this?
Very
The
good
first
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
And you have to talk to each other. But you cannot read the others. So you just listen.
Yeah.
Okay.
To come true.
For all future
Yeah.
leaders.
The amount of work done for the project was immense. The amount of work done for
Yeah.
the
You
project
don't have enough space
was
to make.
immense. Amount of work done for the project was items. Sorry. I double M there double M E At S E Sini ada tulisannya lagi sini. Sini dulu, udah ya?
On January 9th,
After items ends.
Number 4 berarti. Yeah, no.
It required start reading from it required. Baca yang it required.
Oh ya, benar.
We have one in
It's required.
that is literally 12 years ahead of any other mobile
Udah.
Ya.
Blank.
Habis itu sih habis required langsung blank.
Inspiration for
It
victory.
required an
N E
an entire day.
yes. New hardware
Ya.
system.
And new user interface.
Yeah.
After that, blank.
Yeah, blank.
Okay. Terus, ya. Lu tulis.
Okay. 4. Service.
Was also used. Was also used.
Yeah. The use was also huge. Hah? Oh, They were a successful computer company. They were a successful computer company. With no name.
Successful computer.
Yeah.
Company.
With no name.
With
With no name.
no name.
Yeah. And no credibility. No credibility.
No.
Yeah, no credibility. In the cell phone industry, but everything finally paid off. In the cell phone industry, but everything finally paid off. Get it?
Paid off. Lu nggak ada? Atau ada?
Ada. Sampai 4 kan. On January 9, 207, before Jobs stepped out in front of the crowd to introduce the first iPhone.
Kata lagi dicari
Here,
ada satpam.
insert his two numbers. Yeah.
Members and
And so them to remember this one.
masih lanjut.
Because tomorrow everything will change.
Habis itu kosong.
Udah.
Then he said boldly,
Yeah, he said.
boldly,
With spelling ini kok.
B-O-L-D, L-W.
LW. B-O-L-D. L. B-O-L-D. B-L-E.
To the crowd.
Juga.
To the crowd.
Crowd. Crowd.
If you already finished, you can check again, yes? Check with your partner, yeah?
Apa dulu? To the crowd. iPhone is a revolutionary and magical product. iPhone is a revolutionary and magical product.
iPhone is revolutionary.
Yeah, it's a and magical product.
Revolutionary and
And magical product.
yourself boldly.
Ini panjang. That is literally. That yang berjika bola berapa? That is literally.
That is the
Literally. That 5 years ahead of any other mobile phone.
5 years ahead.
Of any other mobile phone.
Then any other.
Of any other mobile phone. We are all born with an ultimate.
udah 5 dong yang kosong.
Ya, ini masih belum.
Yeah. You can check it again, ya.
Gue ini belum sampai gue nih. Baru sampai ultimate quality. Kalau lu sampai sini. Iya.
Ultimate pointing udah ada.
Oh, udah ada.
Ah.
There's the one that you both have it, ya. Right there. You cannot see your friends. Okay? Just say
Buat. Account feeder. Man with glass vision. Is what? Door. Will always remember. About the founder.
Tadi habis confident ada man ya? Hah?
Ada apa?
Confident man.
Huh?
Kalau
You
Of
just
Apple.
wait for your
Steve Jobs. Tolong ya.
because they're
Tadi habis confidence
lottery, so
ada man.
they
Man.
kinda hard to.
Nomor berapa tuh?
Confident man.
Oh ya, account feeder.
Jobs believe.
Jobs believes that someone were going to be vital. W-E-R-E. Were multi-touch. We're going to be vital. Betul. Ya, for portable information access. Ya, ya.
Itu, are you guys done? Okay. Do you agree with your partners?
Ya.
Okay. So I will give you the full text. Yeah, this is the full text. same partners?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay. Now you can go back to your seat. Okay. We have. Okay, let me think about the lesson because there is one of you that have three. Okay. What if the girls in one group and then the boys work in pairs? So, okay. Can you sit near your groups? Okay, so you will be with
Aryo. Aryo.
uh,
Aryo.
Agyo and Gabriel with Rafael. Can you keep a space between the groups? Okay, now we are going to play game. Okay. Now, please determine who will be the reader, who will be the messengers. Okay, for you that in group of three, you have two readers and one messenger. Okay. So the readers, you are the one who read the text. Okay. The messengers, you will. Okay, I have a lot of questions that stick on the wall. Your job is you read the question, and the reader will search the answer on the text. But the messenger can read the text. Okay. And then you will write the answer in these papers. Yeah? Okay. So after the readers, okay, guys. Okay. I will give the messenger left the question on the wall. Okay, you can start with any question. You don't have to start with the number one, okay? Okay. And then the messenger will tell the question to the leader. Okay. Yeah? And then the leader write the answer on the text and then write it on the piece of paper. Okay? You can take it from me. And level difficulty, yeah. Do you want to stick it on the wall or you want to just put it here, but do it press down so the other group can see your answer?
Okay.
Do you want to stick it on the wall? Do you want to go back and forth to the wall? Yes. Yeah. Sorry, girls, but the guys want to sit it on the wall. Okay. Okay, I will provide the tape. Yeah. Yeah. But with face down. For example, there's the question: who is Steve Jobs? Steve Jobs is the founder of Apple. For example, I write the answer like this, but you will stick it. You will cover it, so the other group can see your answer. Yes, so they don't cheat, yeah. Okay. What color do you want? Red, pink.
Apa?
Do you want the pink one? Yes.
Emang?
Blue.
Yeah, blue.
Ini aja hijau.
Blue.
What is hijau in English?
Green.
Green. Blue. And you want pink?
Sabi ya? Ini sabi.
Yeah. You don't have to start with the first question. You can start with the third or the fifth and seventh. There's 7 questions, and you have 10 minutes. But you will wait for my cue, yeah. Yeah. So, what are you gonna do? Okay, first the messengers.
Yeah,
What are you gonna do?
go around and look for the question,
Question, and then
go back to the readers,
yeah,
and then ask the answer.
yes, and then the readers.
Will write the answer on the card
Yes, and then
and stick the card to the wall.
yes. Who will stick the card to the wall? The messengers, yeah. Okay. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay. Wait for my cue, okay? Okay. Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
What word, song, Charles Chaplin when making the icon? What word, song,
Okay. You have a lot more.
challenge,
Okay, you.
apple,
Ini.
right?
Baca.
Yeah.
When making the icon.
Bisa putus gitu.
Apa sih challenge
You want to answer it. Because if you want to read the paper,
Oh, kayak gitu.
yeah, you will freeze him and he will find the answer.
During the question,
Asking.
after the first one,
Oh,
Ada challenge nggak? Challenge apa? Tantangan dia kalau gua bikin apple.
the powerful experiment. Nice man. Aku belum di power.
This one is the You don't have to start it with number 1, but started with number 1 is a good idea.
how long did the last part
Kamu dulu.
Experience.
Ya.
Okay, messengers, while he's looking for the answer, while the leader looking for the answer, you can see other questions. Yeah.
What's now? What's? What? And what do you? What do you?
Just a short answer, yeah.
4 years. To enter there. A drink of chocolate. A drink of chocolate. Udah. Sebenarnya. Agak. Tadi gimana?
Yeah. Okay, this is a tape, yeah. I will put it here. Do you want to stick it?
Karena
Huh?
udah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Then you stick it, yeah. Yeah.
ada.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. My hand is
Alright.
covered, so you can do it for yourself, yeah.
apa sih?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, press down, yeah. Yeah. Okay, you can search for none.
Nah,
Yeah, there's 7 questions, yeah. You can search for another.
ini tembok.
What's the question? What's number? Yeah.
Itu bukan bawa beli.
Yeah, you do the question first.
How did your describe? How did your describe?
Okay, go. This is the tape, yeah.
What did Steve Jobs? What did Steve Jobs tell about
The group with
introduce?
the most answer and the right answer
Yeah.
win.
Now, the team and the course will introduce. Right. The engineer. So, the fourth. Touch. Yeah. Yeah. Multi-touch, yes, this way. Yes. Oh, yes,
Send it to your messenger. So the messenger
yeah,
can
multi-touch, yes,
Yeah. you don't want to submit your question, your answer,
Kita boleh mulai. Pasiennya ikutan bawa.
yeah, near the question.
Di sini.
Yes.
Oh iya. Ini aku
Iya.
ini
Yang mana?
yang ini.
Iya. Temanya di sini.
Apa?
Iya, apa? Okay. Yes, you have another question. There's a lot of questions. Are you already answered this one?
All these questions should look compared to our
Girls, start stick your question answer on the wall ya. Ten, nine, seven,
What was
six,
this question?
five,
Steve,
four. Oke,
Stick masih boleh guys.
oke, stick masih boleh. Tapi yang but just the one that already on the messenger hand ya. Yeah, you can stop already. Okay. Okay. You can drink water. It's housing it. Okay. We start with the first question, okay? Okay. What important product did Steve Jobs help to create? Okay, this is group leadership. Okay, I think there's. Okay, what's the product that Steve Jobs created? Apple, eh? iPhone, Apple. There's the leadership. Did you confuse the answer? Did you stick to your answer?
Leadership.
The product. Yeah.
I think
Okay. So you stick the wrong answer, yeah? Maybe.
yeah,
Okay. Okay.
Kita biar dulu.
Stick the wrong.
Iya sobek.
Yeah. Okay. The answer is the iPhone, yeah? He invented the iPhone. Invented the iPhone, yeah? Okay. But, okay. You are the only one who answered this, and you wrong. Yeah. Okay. Now, number 2. What was special about the phone that Steve Jobs wanted the engineers to make? What? The multi-touch, yeah?
Yeah.
Multi-touch. To make a phone with multi-touch glass display. Okay, this one is right, yeah?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So 1 point for group 2, yeah? boys got right, yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of answer. Okay. It lasted for 2 years. Okay. Now the number 4. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay, number 4. What were some challenges Apple faced while making iPhone? Yeah. They don't have any credibility in some industry. Yeah. Yeah, don't have credibility. Yeah. Okay. Okay, the girls have one right. Yeah. Okay. Number 3. What did Steve Jobs tell his team before introducing the first iPhone? Okay? Okay, the answer for the boards. Tomorrow everything would change. And
Bisa bahasa ya.
can you read it please?
Oke. He asked the engineer
The answer for
to make a phone with
question.
Oh,
touch. Yes.
can you speak louder please?
He asked the engineer to make a phone with touch glasses. Yeah, the display that we could tap on with our finger.
Yeah, the answer is told them to remember the moment because everything would change, yeah. So the group blue is right there.
Yeah.
You have a good leader, yeah, group blue. Okay, number 6. You want it there? How did Steve Jobs describe the iPhone during the presentation? Okay. There's group blue and group pink, yeah. Okay. Group blue say iPhone is a revolutionary and magical product. Okay, magical product that is. Okay. The answer is that revolutionary. Yeah, there's. Okay, you get the revolutionary part and magical product. Okay, is enough, eh? It's a little okay. And now, because this one is the most obvious, yeah. Number 7 is how many iPhone that Apple sold a decade after the first one? There's on the last sentence of the paragraph.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 1.2. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay. So the girls have the grouping, yeah. They have 3 right, yeah. The group green has 1. Okay. That's it. Okay, but it's wrong, yeah. The one that you have 1 right, yeah. And the blue have 1, 2, 3. This is wrong. 4. Okay. The group blue have 4 right, yeah. Okay. So the winner is group blue.
Yes, please. Yes. Yang grouping berapa?
3.
Oke.
Okay, we will play agree or disagree, yeah? Okay. Because there's a time limitation, yeah? So I want you to still be with your pair, yeah? And you will discuss either you agree or disagree with this statement, okay?
Ya.
Yeah. You can give the opinion with I think, in my opinion, I believe, or from my point of view. Okay, Steve Jobs was the only reason for the success of the iPhone. Okay, I give you 2 minutes. Are you agree or disagree? 1 minute. Are you agree or disagree? You can discuss it and why do you agree or disagree?
Yeah.
Okay,
Agree.
okay. And everyone got the answer? Okay. Agree. Why do you agree? Okay. Or the other pairs have their opinion?
Because he leader who give the team the idea.
The idea. Because he's the one who gives the team an idea.
Yes.
Okay. And what about you?
Because he was the evidence of his leadership.
Can you repeat your answer? Okay, there's no wrong or right answer, yeah? You can state anything. Yeah. Why?
Because he the evidence of his
Okay. If,
leadership.
okay. Do you think is the success of Apple just because of Steve Jobs?
No,
No. Why?
because he has the because he has the
Because he has another people
who help him to make a
yeah. Okay. The others. Do you agree with who's the Ariel's statement?
Yeah.
Agree. Do you have another opinion? No. Okay. Taking big risks is necessary for a company to become successful. Successful. Okay. You can discuss it with your partner. Okay. No cost factor, yeah. Okay. Girls, are you agree with this statement? Are you agree or disagree? Agree. Why? Why?
Because if you
Oh,
type,
In my opinion,
in my
I agree.
opinion,
I think.
if you take a big rest, it may open
Open
a change
The change.
in change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you repeat it?
If you take a big risk, it may open a change that you won't know before.
Okay. Any other groups? Are you disagree with her? Or you agree? Why?
Because when you take a big risk, it's make a big chance.
Bigger change. Bigger opportunity, yeah? What about you? Agree.
Agree.
You agree. Okay. No one got your excited. Confidence is more important than knowledge. Okay, this is more debatable, yeah? Confidence is, yeah,
And
it's more important to be a good leader, you have to confidence with no knowledge, or better with have knowledge but no confidence. Huh? Okay, maybe you encounter the leader who he is or she is really confident, but he or she don't know what to do because lack of knowledge.
Is a great, disagree.
Why?
Because if he or she just have a what? Maybe
Confidence.
then knowledge, she just like talk something
Talk.
about anything important. Like,
Yeah. Yeah. Any the other groups? Are you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Why?
Because if you wanna make a success, you will have the big knowledge than sekedar
Huh?
sekedar apa?
The context, more than maybe.
More than confidence.
You need-
Jika kamu mau sukses ya harus memiliki knowledge yang lebih besar daripada confidence itu sendiri.
Okay. So your statement is, if you want to success, you need more than confidence. Yeah.
Knowledge, for knowledge.
More.
Sebenarnya knowledge ya harus kita lebih punya knowledge daripada confidence sekedar confidence ini.
Oh, you need. The knowledge is more important than
Yes.
the confidence.
Yes.
Okay. What about you?
In my opinion, it's confidence and knowledge is balanced.
Yeah.
Because when you leading a team, you need much knowledge and confidence too.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay. Companies should avoid entering markets where they have no experience. Okay, you can discuss it with your partner first, yeah? So if the company don't have any experience like in your text, Apple don't have any experience in phone industry. But Steve Jobs do it anyway. But do you think the company should enter the markets with no experience, or they need to have the experience on that type of market? Okay, you can ask your friends to say.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Penghindari.
Sorry.
Menghindari.
Nah.
Menghindari.
We start with you, yeah. Okay, guys. What do you think?
In my opinion,
Yes.
I disagree because when you scared about entering the market, when you have no experience, you will have no the opportunity to be success.
Okay, so is that okay or not? If a company enter the market without experience? okay or not?
It's not
It's not. Why?
because if you don't, if you not have experience, you can learn with your new experience, your first experience.
Okay. And the girls, do you have any other opinion?
Agree.
Agree. Why?
Because you don't have a background, and if you're not a big company or don't have a support, a big support, what you will face is only a huge loss.
Okay. Yeah, so okay. The impact of iPhone on the world is greater than any other invention in the success story. You agree or not? You think iPhone is the biggest, the greatest invention in the few years? Are you agree with this statement? Do you agree? No. Okay, why? Why do you disagree?
Because it's so many invention more than greater than iPhone.
Okay. Huh? Lee? Do you agree? If iPhone is the greatest invention in the few years,
Absolutely. Absolutely.
agree why?
Because iPhone can make product with the first touchscreen
Okay,
technology.
yeah. Girls, what do you think? Do you agree with this statement?
Agree.
Why?
Because they are right now there are a lot of people who want an iPhone.
Okay.
Me too. Me too.
Okay. Now, for the last activity, I need you to summarize the text, and you can put it on the Padlet. Okay, you can start now. This is the QR code, but I will also send it to the WhatsApp group, yeah? You can scan it.
Miss,
Yes?
in pairs or
Oh, by yourself.
Oh,
Just a short summary, yeah. Maybe like 5 sentences, 3 to 5 sentences, yeah. Okay. I also send it to your WhatsApp group.
yes. How can we?
Oh, you can pause.
We can of course.
Okay.
In section 1.
The plus sign,
Focus.
yeah. This one, there's a plus. Okay, the plus sign, you move to the bottom, yeah, for the font. summary, kayak Aldo. The summary.
Oh.
Bilang Bu. Mereka summary.
Ini ya, Pak.
Bukan kok. Oh, sama. Jawabannya?
Yeah, sama.
Summary. Do you know what summary is?
Meringkaskan.
Yang ringkas, melangkung. Just write 5 sentences.
Ya, ringkasan dulu.
Do you need more text? Yeah, do you want more? Do you want more text? Is enough? Yeah. Do you have any problem to fix it? Okay, you can do it. No, this summary
That's
of
all
the
right.
Steve Jobs. So who is Steve Jobs? Yeah. And then what he did, what he do,
Hello, we have the Jajaran Super
and then
Achievers.
why
time
make
is over.
him a good
It's
leader.
hard to say goodbye. Make sure to practice your English in the real world. Stay cool. See you soon.
Yeah. Hey you, come on and run, like a fun in the rising sun. Let's go together, okay. Hey friend, if you don't finish it right now, you can finish it at home, yeah? I will wait until 23:59. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for all your attention.